All the people you love the most always wanna hurt you. How can I trust you again when I'm not around you?
Yeah, I never show a love again, never hold a hand again. Can't be a friend. I can turn my back, tell the world that it crumble. I don't give a fuck, bitch, I used to be humble. Took a lot of pressure, took a lot of shit. Took everything that you threw at me, bitch. And now I threw it down, I can't carry it no more. I can't even think about it, man, I just walked out the door. She just flicking me off, spitting in my face, spitting on my shoes, saying, nigga, you ain't safe. If you ever come through, man, them niggas a bust. I tell you about them niggas, I don't give a fuck. I don't care who you got, I don't care who you know. If you ever know about me, I still got them hoes. Never wanna be no more, never. But if you have to be like that in the cold weather, you can quit.
All the people you love the most always wanna hurt you. How can I trust you again when I'm not around you? All the people you love the most always wanna hurt you. How can I trust you again?